Hello everyone. So welcome back once again in our class, mathematics class. In my previous video, we have discussed up to exercise 3.5 of chapter 3, that is linear equation in two variables. So today in this video, we are going to learn more on linear equation in two variables of chapter 3, exercise number 3.6. Okay, so you are going to enjoy 3.6 because quite interesting questions are given in the exercise. So let us start the first question. 3.6, the first question. If you are watching this video, then you are asked to take your textbook and take a notebook and pen also. As I'm going to explain the class, you also try to go on learning and simultaneously writing the notes also. Okay, notes means how to solve solutions. The question is, the first question is, solve the following pairs of linear equation by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. All right. So 1 by twice x plus 1 by thrice y is equals to 2. This is the first equation, and the second equation given as 1 by thrice x plus 1 by twice y is equals to 13 by 6. These are the two equations given to us. Now, how to solve this kind of questions? Because in the previous exercise, so simple questions were given, simple equations were given, but in this exercise, quite different types of equations are given to you. So हम इसको कैसे करें अभी जानने के लिए सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, हमें इसको जानना, बारीकी से जानना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. 1 by twice x, अगर हम इसको ब्रेक करते हैं, if we can break it, then it will be of the form 1 by 2 into 1 by x. ठीक है, 1 by twice x can be written as 1 by 2, that is half into 1 by x. Is that okay? अगर इस 1 by x को हम कुछ ले मान लेते हैं, इसको suppose a मान लिया हमने, तो क्या हो जाएगा? It will be of the form half of a or a by 2. Alright, so 1 by 2x, if you break it as 1 by 2 into 1 by x and consider 1 by x as a, then it will be half of a, and half of a can be written as a by 2. Similar way, 1 by thrice y, if you break it as 1/3 into 1 by y and consider 1 by y as something, that is b suppose, then it will be what? 1/3 of b, and it is written as b by 3. So hope you have got the line. Now if you have not understood, you repeat the video and watch it once again. So what we are going to do, we are going to take late solution. Okay, let 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b. Then suppose this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, then how can equation 1 be written? It is 1 by twice x can be written as a by 2. So it can be written as a by 2. Equation 1 implies a by 2, then plus 1 by thrice y. 1 by thrice y can be written as b by 3. b by 3 is equals to 2. So our new equation we have. Now let us cross multiply this. कैसे करना था इसको cross multiply? What is the LCM of 2 and 3? That is 6. All of you know, right? That is 2 into 3 is 6. Now 3 into a, thrice a plus 2 into b, twice b, and 6 will be multiplied with this 2. 6 को 2 के साथ multiply करें तो क्या होगा? It is 6 2 times is, yes, 12. So make it as equation number, new equation number 3. Then similar way, equation 2 will become, what does it become? 1 by thrice x can be written as 3 by a by 3, alright, plus 1 by twice y, that is b by 2 is equals to 13 by 6. ठीक है, understood? Now what is the LCM of 2 and 3? That is once again 6. 6 will be multiplied that side, and the rest we will cross multiply this side. 2 into a is 2 times a, plus 3 into b is 3 times b, is equals to 13 by 6. इसका जो LCM था, LCM will be multiplied that side. So this 6 cancelled. Alright, that is twice a plus thrice b is equals to 13. This is equation number 4. Now we need to solve these two equations, equation 3 and equation 4. And while solving equation 3 and equation 4, you will get the solution. Alright, तो बहुत ही सिंपल है, equation 3 and equation 4 को solve करना है. इसको तो आपको पता ही है क्योंकि आपने under exercise 3.5 you have solved this kind of equations already, isn't it? So how to solve these two equations? These are linear pair of linear equation in two variable. There are number of methods of solving this kind of pair of linear equation in two variables. So let us solve one. तो इसको रहने दें यहीं पे. This side I'm going to do this. What to do? Equation 4. I'm taking equation 4. Equation 4 is twice a plus thrice b is equals to 13. Then twice a will be equals to 13 minus thrice b. Only a will be equals to 13 minus thrice b divided by 2. Let us make it as equation number 5 if possible. Then let us substitute the value of a in equation number 3 so that you can get the value of b. So equation direct you can write equation 3 implies, you can write directly equation 3 implies, what is equation 3? Thrice a plus twice b equals to 12. So thrice a, what is a? We have 13 minus 3b by 2 plus 2b plus 2b is equals to, that is 12. Clear? Now you multiply. इसके नीचे क्या है? There is 1. So you multiply this 3 with the upper part and 1 with the lower part. That is 3 into 13 plus, sorry, there is minus 9b divided by 2. That will be that side plus 2b is equals to 12. Clear? So it will be 39 minus 9b, this 2 will be multiplied that side crosswise, so it will be 4b minus 24 is equals to 24. Now 39 goes that side, minus 9b and plus 4b, it will become minus 5 times b, and this side 24, this 39 goes that side, it will become minus 39. Ultimately it will be minus 5b is equals to minus 15. So negative from both the sides can be cancelled, negative from both the sides can be cancelled. B goes that side, b is the 5 goes that side, 15 by 5, that is 3. So b value is found to be as 3. So b value is 3. As you have b value is 3, what was taken as b? हमने b को क्या लिया था? b, what is b? b is 1 by y. So can we replace b by 1 by y? Definitely we can. So b can be replaced by 1 by y, then it will be 3. क्योंकि b value was 1 by y, it was considered b as equals to, b is equals to 1 by y, it was considered. So b equals to 1 by y, we have written b equals to 1 by y. Clear? Then only y will be, just cross it, y will be 1/3. That is the value of y. Now you have now two options. You can get the value of x by finding first the value of a, then substituting the value of a by 1 by x. This is one step. The other one will be direct, you can write the value of y in the first equation or any one of the equations. Okay, so these are the two ways to get the value of y. So get the value of x. So I think the latter one will be easier, because putting the value of y directly in equation number 1, you will get the value of x very easily. So let us do that one. Okay, so equation 1 implies direct, we will write equation 1 implies, how can we write this? The equation was 1 by twice x plus 1 by what is that? Yes, 1 by 3y. What is the value of y? Yes, value of y is 1/3. So where there is y, we are writing 1/3. Where there is y, we are writing 1/3 is equals to, what is that? That is 2. Look at, as soon as I write here, instead of y I am writing 1 by 3. This 3 cancelled. Ultimately this whole become 1 and we have now 1 by twice x plus 1 is equals to 2. Let us take this 1 that side. 1 by twice x is equals to 2 minus 1, that is 1. All of you know ये पहला question है, so I am explaining elaborately. Next question onward, I need not to explain, I think this way. Now what to do, this will become 1. Now what to do, you just take this 2 into x. There are, if you take only 2 from here to that side, it will be multiplied with 1. Then 1 by x will be equals to, or only x you take, no problem, only x you take that side, then x into 1 will become x into 1 will become x, and finally we get the value of x equals to 1 by 2. That is the answer. So we will write the conclusion as therefore x equals to half and y is equals to 1 by 3. So these are the two solutions. Okay, so in this way we are solving such kind of questions, and very interesting questions. See, if this kind of question comes in the examination, normally comes for 3 or 4 marks or more than 4 marks sometimes. Okay, now we have the second question, and second question is 2 by root over x plus 3 by root over y is equals to 2, and the second one is 4 by root over x minus 9 by root over y is equals to minus 1. Let us make the first one as equation number 1 and the second one as equation number 2. Alright, now let us first break this portion. If you break one, अगर एक को आप ब्रेक करना जान गए, इसको सीख गए, तो बाकियों का तो बहुत आसान से आप कर ही लोगे. तो सबसे पहले हम पहला वाला जो है इसको ब्रेक करने की कोशिश करते हैं, देखते हैं क्या कर सकते हैं इसको. ठीक है, सो लेट अस सी व्हाट कैन बी डन फॉर दिस. सो 2 by root over x, if we break it as then it will be 2 into 1 by root over x. Can we write 2 by root over x as 2 into 1 by root over x? Yes, definitely we can write. And if we consider 1 by root over x as a or something like that, then it will be twice a. Got it? So that is how we are breaking. You have to understand this portion very clearly, how to break it. And once you understand the breaking of this portion, then very easily you can get the solution. So breaking of this portion. Then if we consider 1 by y as equals to b, then it will be 3b, twice b. As 2 by x, 2 by root over x can be written as twice a. Then 3 by root over y can be written as thrice b. Alright, so let us write the solution. Late, we are writing late 1 by root over x is equals to a and 1 by root over y is equals to b. Hope it is cleared. Now equation 1 will give you this is 2 by root over x can be written as twice a, because 1 by root over x is considered as a, so it will be twice a plus 3 by root over y can be written as thrice b is equals to 2. Alright, so it is a new equation for you, so let us make it as equation number 3. And the second equation becomes, what does it become? 4a, that is 4a plus 9, sorry, it is minus, so minus 9b is equals to 1. Let us make it as equation number 4. Now let's see what can be done for these two equations. So elimination is very easier for these two. Let us multiply equation 3 by 3. Equation 3 multiplied with 3, then what will become? Equation 3 को हमने 3 से multiply किया. क्यों किया? क्योंकि there is thrice b. If you multiply this equation entirely with 3, then it will become 3 2 times 6a plus 3 3 times 9b plus 3 2 times 6. So 9b positive, 9b negative. They can be eliminated very very easily. That's why we have multiplied it with 3. So it will become 2 3 times is 6a plus 3 3 times is 9b, 2 3 times is 6. a new equation is obtained. So let us name this equation as equation number 5. Now equation 4 and 5, if you add it very easily, you can put a line here and just add equation 4 and equation 5. Yes. If you do so, then it will become 4a plus 6a. 4 times a and 6 times a. Together it is 10 times a. 10 times a. Then negative 9b and positive 9b. They will get cancelled. Negative 9b, positive 9b get cancelled. You need not write here anything. And 1 plus 6 is 7. Is that okay? 1 plus 6 is? Oh, wait, there is 6. Oh, that was minus 1. Yes. It was minus 1. Look at this is minus 1. So it will be minus 1. If you add it, it will be 5 only. It will be 5 only. So A will be 5 out of 10. So ultimately, if you cut it, then it will be 1 by 2. So A value is 1 by 2. A value is found as 1 by 2. हमने A को क्या लिया था? A was considered as 1 by x, isn't it? So A was considered as 1 by x. A was considered as 1 by x. So where there is A, can it be replaced by 1 by x? Definitely it can be. So what can we write? 1 by root over x. 1 by root over x. In place of A, we are writing 1 by root over x equals to 1 by 2. Then only root over x will be? Yes, only root over x will be equals to 2. Square both the sides. Squaring both sides, what will it become? Squaring both sides. This square root will get cancelled. So x will be equals to 4. Got it? X equals to 4 we have got. Now there are two ways. Either you can find out the value of b, आप b का value find out कर सकते हो, and then you can get the value of y. The second way is direct. You can substitute the value of x, that is 4, in any one of these two equations to get the value of y. So which is better? I think the latter part is better. So let us substitute the value of x direct in this equation so as to get the value of, yes, value of y. So direct we can write equation 1 implies, what was 1? 2 by x, root over x. What is x value now? That is 4. Root over 4 is, you know, that is 2. Then plus 3 by y, root over y is equals to, that is 2. Clear? Now this is 2. Root over 4 means 2. 2 by 2 is 1, direct you can write. Plus 3 by root over y is equals to, yes, that is 2. Now 1, if you shift that side, it will become what? इस साइड पे 1 3 by root over y रह गया, और 1 को आप उस ओर शिफ्ट करो तो 2 minus 1, that is 1 only. So 3 by root over y is equals to 1, and if you shift it that side, then it will be 3 equals to root over y. Now what to do? Now you have to square both the sides. If you square both the sides, then it will be, look at 3 square is 9, and root over y square is y. So y equals to 9. So we can write, therefore x equals to we get 4, and y equals to we get 9. These are the two solutions to this question. So hope you have understood the solution to this question. Now let us understand the third question. What is there? Okay, now let us understand the solution to this question. Okay, the question is 4 by x plus 3y is equals to 14, and 3 by x minus 4y is equals to 23. Let us name the first equation as equation number 1 and the second equation as equation number 2. Clear? Now look at, this is already in the linear form. We need not to do anything or with this part, but this part, it is still in the fraction form, so we have to reduce it in the linear equation type. Okay, so let us break it. So we have been learning how to break it. So 4 by x, once you become expert, you need not to show this step, but for now as you are learning this, you have to understand this properly. So 4, it can be broken down as 4 into 1 by x. Can we write it as 4 into 1 by x? Definitely we can write. And if you take 1 by x as a, then it will become 4a. Is it okay? Then let us write solution. Let 1 by x is equals to a. Then definitely equation 1 will become 4a plus 3y is already there, that is equals to 14. That is question number, a new equation, say equation number 3. And the second one, equation 2 will become, this is 3a plus, sorry, minus is there, minus 4y is equals to 23. Let us make it as equation number 4, equation number 4, that is a new equation. Clear? Now let us solve this. We have two equations with the variable a and y. 4a plus 3y is equals to 14 and 3a minus 4y is equals to 23. So it's a very simple one. I think you can solve it now. Very easy to solve. Even for this question, I'm going to solve this. How to solve? Any method you can apply. Say substitution method you are applying. Then equation 1 you take or equation 3 you take, 4 you take, doesn't matter. So equation 4 thrice a is equals to 23 plus 4y. I am writing this way. Negative 4y I am shifting that side. Positive 4y. Then a will be equals to 23 plus 4y divided by 3. So a equals to 23 plus 4y divided by 3. This is a new equation. Let us make it as equation number 5. Now let us substitute the value of a in equation number 3. In equation number 3, if you substitute the value of a, your y value will come automatically. So equation 3 implies, equation 3, I'm going to write this side, okay? Equation 3 implies, 4a, what is a value we have? Yes, 4a, but we are not going to write a, we are going to write the value of a as this portion, that is 23 plus 4y divided by 3. So 4a plus 3y is there, so plus 3y is equals to 14. Hope you have understood this line. Now 4 के नीचे कुछ भी नहीं है तो हमेशा there will be 1. So there will be 1. 4 will be multiplied with the upper part, then 1 will be multiplied with lower part. So it will be 4 3 is 12, 8 9 92 plus 4 times is 16y by 1 into 3 is 3 plus 3y is equals to 14. Now just to cross it, 3 into 3y, 3 into 14, you will do like that, okay? So 92 plus 16y, 3 into 3 times 9y, so definitely 16y and 9y, it will give you 25y, and again 3 into 14, 3 into 14. So you shift this that side, then it will become, anywhere minus sign was there, minus sign, yes, that is plus, then it is substituted there. Anyways, so very simple. Look at minus 92. When you shift it the other side, then it will become, let us add this two part first. If you add this two part, then it will become 25 times y, then 42 minus 92. This 92, positive 92 is shifted that side, that will be negative 92. Alright, so it is 25y and that is minus 50. Now 25 shift that side, y will be equals to minus 50 divided by 25. So 25 two times, so minus 2, we have got the answer as y value. So y value will be equals to, therefore y equals to -2. Y equals to -2. Y value we have obtained. Now value of y we can substitute it directly in the question, in any one of the questions, so as to get the value of x. So better हम वही करें कि y का वैल्यू हम किसी एक इक्वेशन में डाल दें तो x का वैल्यू खुद ब खुद कैलकुलेट हो जाएगा. x का a का वैल्यू निकालना जरूरी नहीं है. Our primary need is to find out the value of x and y as given in the equations. All right. So to make the solution easier, we have considered as 1 by x equals to a. तो इसमें जरूरी नहीं कि आपको a का वैल्यू निकालना ही पड़ेगा, ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है. तो I find this one easier. x इक्वेशन 1 में अब y का वैल्यू डाल दो. So इक्वेशन y is 4 by x plus 3 into y. What is y here? -2. -2 is equals to 14. Is that okay? So 4 by x, this will become -6 and this side it is 14. So -6 goes that side, it will become +6. 14 plus 6 is, इतना तो कैलकुलेशन खुद ब खुद कर लो. 14 plus 6 is, yes, 20. It is 20. So shift this 20 this side and shift the x that side. Then 4 by 20. 20 नीचे आ जाएगा, इसको नीचे लाओगे तो नीचे आएगा ये, सॉरी इस जगह में 20 आ जाएगा और दिस इज x. So it will become, x will be equals to 1 by 5. So therefore x equals to 1 by 5, y equals to -2 are the solutions to this question. Okay, so hope you have understood the solution of question number 3. Now question number 4 is there. We are going to enjoy question number 4 very soon in the next solution. Okay, now we have question number 4 and this is a very interesting one, quite different question than that of the question 3, 2 and 1 which we have solved here before. Look at, अगर आप इसको ध्यान से देखते हो तो पहले सबसे पहले हमें जो करना है हम वो कर लेते हैं. इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 1 बना देते हैं, उसके बाद इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 2 बना देते हैं. ठीक है. अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा कि x - 1 है, यहाँ पे एक टर्म जो है x - 1 है. देखो मैंने इसको एक कलर बना दिया और नीचे भी एक इक्वेशन है जिसमें x - 1 है, x - 1 है, इसको भी मैंने एक कलर बना दिया. ठीक है, x - 1 x - 1. और दूसरा जो है y - 2 है, यहाँ पे देखो इसको मैंने एक कलर कर दिया y - 2 और यहाँ पे भी आपके पास है y - 2. ठीक है. सो x - 1 x - 1 y - 2 y - 2. आई थिंक आपको ये समझ आ रहा होगा कि ये पैटर्न जो है थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग पैटर्न होने वाला है. ठीक है. तो इसको हम सोल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है आगे. थोड़ा इसको अगर मैं जूम कर दूं तो आप लोगों को समझने में आसानी हो जाएगी. चलो ठीक है, इतना काफी है. हाँ, तो अब करने क्या जा रहे हैं, देखो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. इसको हम ब्रेक करते हैं. सो किसी एक को हम अगर ब्रेक कर लेते हैं पहले ही तो इजी हो जाएगा बहुत ही. तो 5 by x minus 1 जो कि x ग्रीन कलर में है, 5 by x minus 1 ब्लू में है. तो इफ वी ब्रेक इट एज 5 into 1 by x minus 1, क्या इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 5 by x minus 1, can it be written as 5 into 1 by x minus 1? Definitely we can write it. And if we consider 1 by x minus 1 as a, तो ये बड़ा वाला क्या होगा 5a होगा. ठीक है. The similar way, if we consider the next part is 1 by y minus 2. So 1 by y minus 2. So this whole can be considered as b. तो क्या होगा इक्वेशन 1 को देखते हैं हम. सॉल्यूशन सबसे पहले लेट 1 by x minus 1 is equals to a, जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है 1 by x minus 1, इसको हमने क्या माना है, ये पूरा का पूरा क्या है, a. 5 into a is 5a. 1 by x minus 1 is wholly considered as a, and this is 1 by y minus 2 is wholly considered as b. So one is a and the other is b. It is considered like that. Okay. So equation 1 will become now, equation 1 will become 5 into a, 5a plus 1 by y minus 2, that is b, is equals to 2. Let us make it as equation number 3. Sister? Now look at this equation 1, it becomes 5a plus b is equals to 2, equation number 3. Similar way, equation 2, it becomes 6a minus 3b will become 1, that is equation number 4. Is that okay? Now equation 3 and equation 4, if we solve equation 3 and 4, then definitely we will get the values of a and b, that means x and y. Let's see what can be done. Substitution will be easier, I think, in this case, because, or elimination will also be easier because it is b and it is thrice b. If we multiply equation 3 wholly, entirely equation 3 by 3, then it will become thrice b. Thrice b, positive thrice b and negative thrice b will get cancelled. So that can be done. Equation 3 multiplied with 3, it will become 15 times a plus 3 times b is equals to 2, 3 times is 6. Make it as equation number 5. Equation 4 and 5, if you add it, 4 plus 5, if you add it, then it will become 15 plus 6 is 21a. Then this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, and if you add it, it will become 7. 21, let us shift it that side, then it will become 21a is equals to 7, then only a will be 7 by 21. 7 goes 3 times, so a equals to 1 by 3. तो ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने जा रहा है. a equals to what we have considered, a is equals to, yes, look at, a is equals to 1 by x minus 1, a equals to 1 by x minus 1. So a equals to 1 by x minus 1 is x minus 1 like this. We are replacing a by x minus 1, a by x minus 1, a by x minus 1 is equals to 1/3. ठीक है. So from here, if you write, if you cross it, then it will become x minus 1 is equals to 3, and only x will be equals to 1 minus 1 goes that side. 3 plus 1, that is 4. Yes, x is equals to 4. Now after finding the value of x, there is another option. You can either find out the value of a and then find out the value of b as usual, or you can use this value of x directly here some way to get the value of y. So very simple one. So let's do that. Equation 1, in equation 1 we are going to substitute the value, oh no, in equation 2 we are going to substitute the value of x. Then what will become? Look at 6 by x is 4, 4 minus 1 is equals to, sorry, minus 3 by y minus 2, that is equals to 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3, minus 3 by y minus 2, that is 1. Look at 3 2 times, this 2 goes that side now, minus, this 2 goes that side, that will become minus 1, isn't it? Plus 2 goes that side, minus 2, 1 and minus 2 is minus 1. Cross multiply it, then it will become minus 3, or this negative sign you can cancel it. This negative sign you can cancel it, let it be. Then it will be y minus 2. Minus 2 you bring this side, y equals to, minus 2 comes this side, plus 2, 3 plus 2 is 5, so y equals to 5. So ultimately we have the value of x, therefore x equals to 4 and y equals to 5. We have got the values. Okay, so these are the two solutions, the two values of x and y, and in this way we have solved question number 4. So hope you have enjoyed question number 4 also. The solution is very simple. Try to practice these questions. Okay. Okay, now we are going to solve question number 5, and it is also quite interesting. Look at almost all the questions of this exercise are very interesting one. Let us understand how to solve such questions. Okay. Question is written already on the board. You can write the question directly from the exercise, from the text, from your text. Now let us understand how to solve this kind of questions. Solution. So first equation we have, that is we can write it as 7x minus 2y by xy as it is. I am writing, and let me separate it. If I separate it, then it will become 7x by xy minus 2y by xy is equals to 5. I am separating it. Look at 7x by xy, 7x by xy minus 2y by xy, 2y by xy. Clear? Once I separate it, it becomes 7x by xy, so x can be cancelled. Clear? And we can get 7 by y, and this y can be cancelled, so we have 2 by x. Alright, so this is the equation actually. That was the question given in the text, and this equation is reduced into this form. Okay, then only you are supposed to put there equation number 1 rather than writing there equation number 1. You need not to write there. I am writing, I have shown you to write the equation 1. You need not to write here equation 1. This is the question part. Okay, after reducing it and forming this form, converting into this form, you can make it as equation number 1. Now you make it as equation 1. And second one also, if you do the same, then it will become, you need not to write this. Also the second one is 8x plus 7y by xy is equals to 15. You break it first. If you break it, then it will become 8x by xy plus 7y by xy is equals to 15. Is that okay? Now look at this x can be cancelled. This y can also be cancelled. Then if you cancel it, then it will become, I am writing here, okay, this side. It becomes 8 by y plus 7 by x is equals to 15. A new equation. Let us make it as equation number 2. Now this equation 1 and this equation 2, it looks like question number 1 of this exercise. In question number 1 also such kind of questions you have already solved, isn't it? So the same type of the questions we have obtained. Now let us break it. Breaking style, already you come to know that how to break it as. Say equation 1 we have 7 by y, 7 by y. If you break it as, then it will become 7 into 1 by y. Can we write it? 7 into 1 by y is equals to 7 by y? Yes, definitely we can write. And 1 by y, this will become, 1 by y will become a. If we consider 1 by y is equals to a, then it will become 7a. It will become 7a. 7a. So let us write. Now let 1 by y is equals to a and 1 by x is equals to b. Doesn't matter, 1 by x always you will take it as a, or 1 by y always you will take it as b. It doesn't matter like that. You can take 1 by y as a and 1 by x as b also, as I have considered, I have taken. Okay. Now let's see what what this equations, how these equations look like after substituting their original values. That means 1 by y equals to a. It will become, equation 1 will come, this is C, x by 7 by y, it will become 7a minus 2b is equals to 5. A new equation we have obtained, this is equation number 3. And equation 2 will become, it will look like, equation 2, where is it? Oh, okay, there is 8a plus 7b is equals to 15. Okay, this is equation number 4. Now equation 3 and equation 4, you need to solve these two equations. Okay, by any given methods, any method you can apply to solve these two equations to get the value of a and b, or to get finally you will get the value of x and y. Which method would like to do? You would like to do substitution will be easier, I think. So let us substitute equation 3. 7a minus twice b equals to 5. We have twice b. Let us shift it that side. So 7a will be equals to 5 plus twice b. 7 you shift that side. A will be equals to 5 plus twice b by 7. A equals to 5 plus twice b by 7. Now value of a need to be substituted here in equation number 4. Then you will get the value of b. Where should I do? This portion is not required now. From here I am doing, okay. Equation number 4 implies 8a. What is the value of a we have? The value of a we have, that is, a value is 5 plus twice b by 7. So where there is a, we will substitute the value of a. 8a, a value is this, so 8a, instead of a we are writing what? We are writing 5 plus twice b by 7. Is that okay? Plus we have 7b. 7b is equals to 15 we have. I hope you have understood this line. Now look at where there is 8, below 8 there is always 1. Below 8 there is always 1. So 8 will be multiplied with 5. So 8 5 times is 40. Plus 8 2 times is 16. B is there. And 1 7 times is 7. Then plus 7b is there. 7b is equals to 15. Is equals to 15 we have. Got it? Now the 7 will get multiplied with this 7. And this 7 will get multiplied with this 15. So what will it be? Look at 40 plus 16b, 7 times is, all of you know that is 49, and 105. Now this 40 will be shifted that side. This 40 will go, this 40 will go that side. If you shift it this side, then it will become what? Let us add these two portions first. 16b and 49b, it will become 65, isn't it? If you add this 2, it will become 65b. This is 105, 40 goes that side, then it will become 105 minus 40. It is also becomes, yes, 65. So 65b equals to 65. So only b will be, yes, only b will be 1. 65 by 65 is 1. What was b? B was x 1 by x. B was considered as 1 by x. So where there is b, can we substitute it by 1 by x? Definitely, why not? So it will be 1 by x equals to 1. Then what about x? X will be equals to 1. Clear? If x is 1, then what about b? What is b? So value of x you can substitute in any one of the given equations, like equation 1 or equation 2. Any one of these two equations, if you substitute the value of x, automatically, very easily, value of y can be calculated. So equation 1 we are going to substitute the value of x. So I am writing here equation 1 implies What was 1? Look at 7 by y. 7 by y minus 2 by x. 2 by x. I am not writing here x. I am writing the value of x, that is 1, is equals to 5. Is equals to 5. Do you get it? So 7 by y minus, it will be 2, is equals to 5. So minus 2, if it is shifted that side, then 7 by y will be 5 plus 2. So 7 by y is equals to 7, then only y will be equals to 7 by 7, isn't it? 7 by 7, that is 1. So y will also be equals to 1. Therefore, you can conclude it as, therefore x equals to 1 and y equals to 1. These are the simple solutions to this question. So very simple to solve it. A bit longer, but easier to understand, even easier to solve. Okay, last portions are not seen here. Okay, not come. Now you can see. So very simple solutions also, simple to understand, simple to solve, a bit longer, doesn't matter, very interesting. Okay, so with these, I'm going to close today's class. Tomorrow also we will do. And in tomorrow's class I will try to solve few more questions, that is question number 6, 7 and 8, and the word problems, 3 word problems are there. So all these questions will be solved tomorrow. Okay, till then you practice this question, try to go through the video once or twice. If you have not understood, then you can go through twice, and if you have understood, then it is well and good. Try to solve the next question also, those who have understood, and those who have not understood, you can wait till tomorrow to till the next video, till you get the next video to understand the next questions. Okay, till then, bye bye.